This is the fifth part of this series. Already I uploaded 4 parts. Please view them also. To get the maximum benefit, run the question, pause the video, guess your answer, and then run the video and verify your answer. And now, first question. In the case of given goods, the demand curve usually be options: A. Horizontal, B. Downward sloping to right, C. Vertical, D. Upward sloping to the right. This question is very elementary. The demand curve of given goods is upward sloping. Option D is correct. Second question. By consumers' surplus, economists mean options: A. The area inside the budget line above the price of the commodity. B. The area between average revenue and marginal revenue curves. C. The difference between the maximum a person is willing to pay for a good and its market price. D. The difference between the market price and the supply curve. This question is also very simple. Consumer's surplus is the difference between the maximum a person is willing to pay for a good and its market price. Option C is the correct answer. Third question. Which of the following is property of an indifference curve? Options: A. It is convex to the origin due to diminishing marginal rate of substitution. B. The marginal rate of substitution is constant as you move along the indifference curve. C. The marginal utility is constant as you move along the indifference curve. D. Total utility is greatest where the budget line cuts the indifference curve. This question is straightforward. The indifference curve is convex to the origin due to diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Option A is the correct choice. Fourth question. When economists speak of the utility of a certain good, they are referring to options: A. The demand for the good, B. The usefulness of the good in consumption, C. The expected satisfaction derived from consuming the good, D. The rate at which consumers are willing to exchange one good for another. This question is very simple. Utility is the expected satisfaction going to be derived from consuming a good. Option C is the answer. Fifth question. A vertical supply curve parallel to y-axis implies that elasticity of supply is options: A. 0, B. Infinity, C. Equal to 1, D. Greater than 0 but less than infinity. Elasticity of a vertical supply curve is 0. Option A is the correct answer. Sixth question. For a normal good with a downward sloping demand curve, options: A. The price elasticity of demand is negative. The income elasticity of demand is negative. B. The elasticity of demand is positive. The income elasticity of demand is negative. C. The price elasticity of demand is positive. The income elasticity of demand is positive. D. The price elasticity of demand is negative. The income elasticity of demand is positive. Price demand curve of a normal good is negatively sloped. Its elasticity is negative. Income demand curve of the same normal good is positively sloped. Its elasticity is positive. Option D is the correct answer. Seventh question. An increase in the supply of a good is caused by options: A. improvements in its production technology. B. Fall in the price of other goods which can be produced using the same inputs. C. Fall in the price of factors of production used in its production. D. All of the above. At the existing price, after an improvement in the production technology, or a fall in the price of other goods, or a fall in the price of factors, a producer can supply more. So, the supply curve is shifted to right, signifying an increase in supply. Option D should be your answer. Eighth question. Elasticity of supply refers to the degree of responsiveness of supply of a good to changes in its options. A. Demand. B. Price. C. Cost of production. D. State of technology. This question is on the definition of elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply measures the responsiveness of change in quantity supplied of a good to its price. Option B is the correct answer. Ninth question. A horizontal supply curve parallel to the quantity axis implies that the elasticity of supply is options A 0, B infinite, C equal to 1, D greater than 0 but less than 1. The price elasticity of a horizontal supply curve is infinite. Option B is the correct answer. 10th question. Contraction of supply is the result of options A. Decrease in the number of producers, B. Decrease in the price of the good concerned, C. Increase in the prices of other goods, D. Decrease in the outlay of sellers. Contraction in supply is always caused by a fall in the price of the good concerned. Producer moves down along the supply curve, producing less. Option B is the correct answer. Well, this session ends here. We shall meet in the next session.